Hey guys, Neil over here back with a new fresh and very interesting video. In this video I am going to be sharing some very interesting news of 1st of July. So make sure you watch this entire video and subscribe it if you haven't, and like this video, share this video with your friends and family. Alright, let's start with the very first news from Facebook. Volkswagen, Puma and Adidas join Stop Head for Profit campaign. Some 200 brands have now paused advertising with the social media giant Facebook. Facebook has said it would ban a wider category of hateful content. Let's see it bans or not. The second news from OnePlus. OnePlus Nord officially launched, coming to Europe and India fast. OnePlus Nord is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 765G. First 100 units of OnePlus Nord went live for pre-orders yesterday, but it was gone in seconds. Alright, third update is from ZEE5. ZEE5 announced Hippie as its short video platform. Hippie is touted to be made for an Atmanirbhar Bharat, but take my advice, don't waste your important time in this kind of platforms. Alright, let's move to the fourth update. Carlyle to buy 25% of Airtel's data center for $235 million. It will be around 1,775 crores. Airtel's local rival Jio has a cloud tie-up with Microsoft. Alright, the fifth update is coming from Vivo. Vivo X50 series teased to launch in India soon, but the question is who will buy it? Vivo has published a tweet confirming the arrival of a Vivo X50 series in India. Sixth update is good news from Samsung. Samsung Galaxy J6 and Galaxy On 6 getting Android 10 with One UI 2.0 in some regions and also in India. The new update reportedly brings features such as dark mode. Another very shocking update for China is coming from US. US FCC classifies Huawei and ZTE as security threats and cuts off fundings. The two Chinese companies will no longer be used as suppliers for projects under the FCC Universal Service Fund. The next update is from Facebook. Facebook working to make VR headsets lighter and thinner. Facebook has revealed their prototype VR headset where a display is 8.9 mm thick, which is about the same as a regular phone. Facebook says holographic optics will make headsets lighter and thinner. The ninth update is coming from Qualcomm. Qualcomm announced their Snapdragon Wear 4100 and 4100 Plus. Qualcomm has unveiled that the TicWatch Pro 3 is coming soon, powered by the new chip. So let's move to the 10th update. iQOO Z1 full specs and design revealed on Tena. The Z1X will come with the Snapdragon 765 5G processor and it has dual 5G mode. Alright, 11th update is very interesting news from Google. Google's nearby sharing goes into beta testing. If this feature comes soon, then it becomes the best alternative of Xender in India, though we have files by Google for sharing media files. The 12th update is from Samsung. Samsung pulls out of IFA 2020. According to the news circulating in South Korean media, Samsung will pull out of upcoming IFA 2020 trade show scheduled to take place in early September. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching my entire video. Thumbs up if you liked it, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe to my channel. It would be amazing, and share this video with your friends and family members. Thank you so much once again. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.